If your microscope skills are rusty, you're in luck. We're diving into histology, the superhero of medical sciences. Histology is the microscopic study of tissues and organs. It's like gross anatomy's little sibling, but with a microscope. Why is histology so crucial? Well, it helps doctors diagnose diseases by examining tissue samples. There's even a special branch called histopathology that zeroes in on diseased tissues. Histologists explore tissue structures to understand development, function, and responses. And they test how new drugs affect cells and tissues. So how does histology work? First, a tissue sample is collected through biopsy or surgery. Then it's preserved with chemicals. Next, the tissue is dehydrated, embedded in paraffin wax, and sliced into thin sections. These sections are stained with dyes to highlight cellular components. Finally, the stained slices are examined under a microscope to identify cells, tissues, and any abnormalities. Unlock the secrets of tissues with histology, your gateway to understanding the microscopic world.